easiest way to become a pro in push-ups. So the first step is what we call a close wall push-up. Now in this type of push-up, you go very close to the wall and then you begin to do this movement. Make sure you're feeling the tension around your arms and chest. Make sure your legs are a bit open. There's a space in between your legs. When you do it for 10 times, then you move further away from the wall. After moving further, you are going a bit down. Yes, you go down, you feel the tension around your arms also. You go down, you do this 10 times. After doing this for 10 times, you should be able to move to the next one, which I use my little table here, which is a bit lower than the wall. So make sure you're properly positioned, and then you do this one for 10 times, 10 reps. So let's go, keep going. For 10 reps you do this. You are getting close to the final result. Congratulations if you've reached this stage. So you keep pushing. 10 reps for this. Having done 10 reps, then I use this well, which is a little bit lower than the chair. As you can see, we are getting down. We are getting there gradually, step by step, little by little. We are getting there. So you keep your hands properly straight and make sure you keep feeling that tension. As you can see, we are moving to almost the final step. So you do this for 10 reps. Keep pushing. I know it might not be easy for some of you at this stage, but just keep pushing. And then lo and behold, this is our second to the last step, which is the knee push-up. Now in this type of push-up, you put your knee on the ground. You don't do it like the normal push-up. As you can see the way I raise my leg. Yeah, you can see it is not a regular kind of push-up. When you do this for 10 times, do it for 10 times. And after this one, you are almost close to starting your own proper push-up. And I guarantee you, if you reach this stage, you're almost there. And then the last, and then the final. This is the final stage where you show yourself approved as a good and faithful servant. That's on a lighter note. So you do this for 10 times. If you reach this stage, congratulations. At some point I couldn't do this, but with practice every now and then and staying consistent, I've been able to. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more.